A handheld or mounted tool that uses compressed air to drill holes in various materials, commonly used in construction or mining. A storage structure for bulk grains, providing protection from moisture, pests, and spoilage, ensuring long-term preservation. Robotic beehive, nature's small talk champion, buzzing around and delivering the latest flower gossip to the beekeeper. A robot-assisted surgical system that enhances precision and control during surgical procedures. Weather control device is a technology designed to manipulate or modify weather patterns, often for agricultural or disaster prevention purposes. Augmented reality glasses is an eyewear that overlays digital information and virtual objects onto the real-world environment.
Hey.
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Yeah, I'll be home soon.
Mind-reading device is a type of device that can interpret and translate brain signals into recognizable thoughts or commands. Energy harvesting pavement, a specialized pavement that converts kinetic energy from footsteps or vehicles into usable electricity. Holographic display is a display technology that projects three-dimensional images or objects into space without the need for screens. Hyperloop cargo system, a transportation system similar to the passenger Hyperloop but designed for rapid cargo delivery. Personalized medicine machine is an equipment used to analyze an individual's genetic information and tailor medical treatments accordingly. Automated vertical warehouse is a robotic system that efficiently stores and retrieves goods in a vertical structure, maximizing storage space. Artificial photosynthesis device is a type of technology that mimics the process of photosynthesis to convert sunlight into chemical energy.
Catalyst electrode, where they react with carbon dioxide.
Smart home automation system, a network of devices and sensors that automate and control various aspects of a home, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency.
This is an excellent product that I can and have recommended to family and friends.
Manure spreader, the farm's ultimate apocalypse machine, distributing manure evenly across the fields. It's like Mother Nature's way of saying, let's fertilize the earth with style. Self-healing material is a substance capable of autonomously repairing damage or regenerating itself when subjected to certain conditions. Crop scouting drone, the aerial detective, ensuring no bug or crop thief goes unnoticed with its sharp eye vision. Brain-computer interface is a system that allows direct communication between the brain and an external device, enabling control or interaction without physical movement.
Nathan Copeland can now control movements when he's...
The laughter amplifier is a contraption that turns your chuckles into roaring laughter, ensuring your jokes are always a hit. A gravitational control machine is a theoretical device that can manipulate gravitational forces, potentially enabling anti-gravity or propulsion systems.
And you can see the subject is floating very well. There is no
Automated fertilizer spreader, the garden's eccentric painter, adding colorful dots to the soil canvas with the precision of a modern artist. Personal flying suit is a wearable suit equipped with propulsion systems and control mechanisms, allowing an individual to fly independently. Universal Translator, a device or software that can translate spoken or written language in real time, enabling communication between different linguistic groups.
Content, this new AI tool will 10x your views. It's Google's new Universal Translator with...
Solar sail spacecraft are propelled by the pressure of sunlight on a large, retractive sail, enabling propulsion in space without the need for traditional fuel. Neurofeedback system measures and provides real-time feedback on brain activity, often used for training or therapeutic purposes.
Like a puzzle piece with other therapies. Her clients in her Denver clinic.
Molecular assembler, a hypothetical device capable of arranging atoms and molecules in precise ways, potentially used for manufacturing advanced materials or nanotechnology. Ocean cleanup systems, technology designed to remove plastic debris and pollutants from the ocean, helping to address marine pollution. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek analog computer used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses. The bionic eye, a prosthetic device that restores vision to individuals with visual impairments.
The teeth work together to recreate the appropriate remedy.
The LHC, Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, used to study the fundamental particles and forces of nature.